Hello, this is Demetria Farewell again. I'm coming to you with my second Code Crew Chronicle. As I told you on last time we talked, I was embarking on a new career due to our jobs being released to other individuals. I told you about my team being called in, and the jobs were well, they were taken away. So, we have to deal with that. So, now, as I was telling you last time, I decided to go into coding to try something new. It's definitely a new endeavor. And now it's time to really dive in because tomorrow is my first official day in code school. Now, on last Friday, they did call us in, and our wonderful instructors, Ken and Kevin, went over some different classroom work. I mean, we went through HTML. I learned that HTML means hypertext markup language. Woo-wee! Didn't know that. And we went over JavaScript. So we learned a couple of techniques and went on a couple of websites and changed some things. And now, every time I look at a web page, it's different now because now I know what kind of makes the website work. I don't know what to do yet, but I know it's some inner workings to make that thing work. If you click on your mouse and then you click source or inspection, you can actually see all the coding that goes on the page. Yeah, I learned something. So, very excited. Tomorrow, again, is our first day, official day. And we have moved locations. They were once at Concourse Building. Now we're going to be at a new location. Actually on a college campus now. We're going to have a little space there. So, I'm excited as to what's going to actually happen when I get there and really start coding, learning the different techniques. Now, I'm really kind of upset with myself because while I was in school, I should have been jumping toward classes or matriculating toward classes that allow me to use my logical side of the brain, the number side and how things are configured and work, but kind of messed myself up on that. So now, at my age, I'm having to really turn that side on. So now my prayer is the Lord will open up that side of my brain that I wasn't using. There are so many sides of your brain that you really never tap into. So now I want to tap into those sides. So with God's help, I could do that. Also, I want you guys to be saying a silent prayer for me because this is, again, something new, different. A lot of ladies and women, we don't go into this field, and it is really a challenge for me. So I'm doing this for me and you. So I want you all to just be thinking about me, and I'll be thinking about you. And after this week is over, I'm hoping I have survived and my head hasn't popped off my body. And I will let you know how it went. Thank you for listening. Wonderful listeners. YouTube, have a great day. Thank you.